Yeah, let's try this two perfume from Dossier. It is called, first one is Floral Pear and Floral Honeysuckle. Let's go first with Floral Pear. It is inspired by Jo Malone's English Pear and Freesia. As you know, Dossier is produce, or they make expensive, luxurious smell perfume, without breaking the bank. So it's really affordable. So this Floral Pear, it is like floral and fruity. So let's try this one. It is really nice. It is like so refreshing, so elegant, so flowery. Like it's like walking into a garden full of flowers. It is really nice. It could be your everyday scent, like, really nice. So let's go with this one. It is called Floral Honeysuckle, and it is inspired by Gucci's Bloom. So it will be floral, another floral scent, and you should try this one. This is so nice. It is like petally, naturally, dreamy. It smells so expensive. This smells like a blooming garden. It smells clean and elegant with a strong floral scent. So if you are torn, you can choose this both. And it's really a good news that Dossier is finally available here in the UK. So you can grab yours, especially now, Black Friday. It's really affordable. It smells expensive without breaking a bank. Dossier.